Hello everyone, this is almost dinner time and kids are getting little cranky for food. So we have decided to quickly cook basmati rice using Instant Pot. So Fiza, please go ahead and show us how to make perfect basmati rice.
Hi, first of all I will tell you the ingredients. I will take 2 cups of basmati rice, salt according to your taste, cumin seeds a little bit if you like. I like in rice so I add it, and some oil or butter, or I am using coconut oil. This is coconut oil. You can use anything, any oil or something, whatever you like. If you don't like, you can skip this as well. And water, it's 2.5 cups of water to cook. First I will wash the rice and drain all the water. Now the rice are washed and strained. I will take out the Instant Pot's inner pot and put the rice in. Add 2.5 cups of water. Okay, now I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. If you like more, you can add more or less. And if you don't like adding salt, you can even skip this. 1 tablespoon of oil. And a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds.
So oil and cumin seeds are optional, right?
Yes.
And what benefit do you get out of oil?
I like with oil because the rice become more separate and looks good. That's why I add oil. Now I will put the pot in. Close my Instant Pot. I will put the pressure button on the sealing position. It might be different in your Instant Pot, but mostly it's the same. And then I will select the menu to pressure cook for 3 minutes and pressure level on high. And then it will start. Yes, after 3 minutes of pressure on high, I waited for 10 more minutes for the steam for steam release, for its auto pressure release, and then I put this pressure button on venting. It releases the steam. Now I will open the lid. Now you can see the rice are cooked. Now I will take it out in the dish. Now you can see the rice are ready.
Thank you, Fiza. Let's enjoy these perfect basmati rice.